A very good morning, dear class 7, and welcome in our social science class. This is Shashi, your social science teacher. Today we are going to learn section 2, Mahmud of Ghazni of block 4, the Arab and Turkish invasions. So, first we will quickly revise section 1 as we have learnt about the regions occupied by Muhammad bin Qasim. He captured the regions of Sindh, Raur, Uch, Daibal, and Multan. And the ruler of Sindh region, Raja Dahasen, was the last Hindu ruler of Sindh. Also, we have learnt about the rule of Muhammad bin Qasim, who was a man who thought ahead of his time. Now, children, give answer. What do you think? What makes a region attractive to invaders? Why invaders attracted to invade a region? Why? Think about this. The resources available in a region and its wealth may attract invaders. Our aim of today's learning is to be able to know why Mahmud of Ghazni raided the northern regions of India. So get ready with all the resources, workbook, notebook, stationery, and content book. So be ready. Keep all the things, sit in a calm place with your partner. So we'll start our learning with these keywords. First word is raid, means surprise, attack, or breaking into loot. A raid denotes a surprise attack on an enemy by troops. Second word is consecutively, means sequentially. It means one after another without any interaction. And the last word is intricate, means very complicated. It means a cause or plan also. An example of intricate is puzzle with 100 pieces. Understood? So today we will learn about the raids of Mahmud of Ghazni. Now children, look at this picture. He is Mahmud of Ghazni. So observe the map. First open your block 4, page 31. The map is there and also in the next slide. So observe the map and locate Ghazni and the regions invaded by Mahmud, the ruler of Ghazni. The map is here also. So what do you notice, children? You have to locate Ghazni and the regions invaded by Mahmud. It is already located here. Ghazni, Mathura, Kannauj, Thaneshwar, Ujjain and Somnath. Now, my one question is related to this map is, where does the Ghazni locate? The Ghazni is a plateau region located towards the east of Afghanistan. So pause the video, read the section Mahmud of Ghazni. Open page 30 and 31. Read that section. Then come back again. Join me. Now give answer of few questions. Who was Mahmud? Who was Mahmud? Ruler of Ghazni. Mahmud was the ruler of a small principality called Ghazni in Afghanistan. The next question is, which regions in India did he invade? He mostly raided rich regions and temple towns such as Mathura, Thaneshwar, Ujjain, Kannauj and Somnath in northern India. Now children, think about the question, what is common to these regions? So what is common to these regions? The common thing between these regions is all are rich temple cities of India. So all are rich and wealthy. Because of that, he invaded the temple towns, rich temple towns. Now, bonus question of the day is who wrote Shahnama? For this, you have to read the section, you will get the answer. So, you have to choose the correct answer. Read the section, be ready to give answer of this bonus question. Now, my question is, why did Mahmud invade the temple towns? Why did I already cleared this point, this question? Why did Mahmud invade the temple towns? It was Mahmud's dream to establish a strong empire in Central Asia, for which he needed a strong army. He had heard about the wealth of the temples of India. In order to raise a strong army and carry out development work in Ghazni, he raided the Indian temple towns several times during the period 1000 to 1025 AD and carried back enormous amounts of wealth with him. This is the picture of Somnath temple, and it is depicting the demolition of Somnath temple by Mahmud Ghazni's army. Why was he successful in making frequent raids? Mahmud was able to raid Indian cities consecutively since India had no central power to stop his carefully planned attacks. So that's why he was successful in making frequent raids. Why did his raids stop? After his death in 1030 AD, these raids stopped. Now, children, this question may be hard for you, but read the section, try to give answer. Compare Mahmud's raids with the invasion of Muhammad bin Qasim. Your answers may be vary. Here is the comparison between Muhammad bin Qasim's invasion and Mahmud's invasion. Muhammad bin Qasim's invasion of the south regions was for political and economic reasons. Since the ruler of Sindh was unable to stop piracy in this region, and the Arabs also wanted access to this link to the Silk Route. Whereas Mahmud's invasion was purely for economic reasons. He simply wanted to use the wealth obtained to create a strong empire in Central Asia and did not want to rule over the regions he raided. He did not rule in that regions. So Muhammad bin Qasim wanted minimum destruction during his invasion, as we have learnt in the previous section. Whereas Mahmud did not feel the same for life or property. So invasion of Mahmud needed wealth to raise a strong army to expand his empire in West and to carry development works in Ghazni. Now children, your work for today is finish S2 in the workbook and in the notebook answer practice question 4, 5, 6 in neat and clean handwriting with proper question number and topic name at the top. Have a nice day children. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye and thank you.